MUSAE Project presents Exhibition, Grow, Cook, Code. A journey through 11 visionary prototypes co-created by artists and companies. An exhibition born from the MUSAE Project, exploring the future of food, health, and technology, co-created by artists and companies across Europe. Powered by the MUSAE factory model, a cutting-edge approach that helped companies stay ahead in a rapidly evolving world by fostering artistic experimentation with advanced technologies. It provides a structured, future-driven innovation model that empowers SMEs and startups in envisioning future scenarios and creating innovative, future-driven solutions. Alongside the exhibition, S+T+ARTS Academy, inspiring dialogue between artists, companies, and citizens. Educating, connecting, co-creating. Thank you to all artists, companies, and visitors for making this vision come alive. Follow the journey, shape the future.